Hello, good day. Welcome to Tech Hub channel. Now, today, let's talk about how to make use of our Vlookup in Excel. How do we use our Vlookup in Excel? Vlookup. I guess you must have heard the word Vlookup. Now, what Vlookup does is that it enables us to retrieve a particular data in a data set or in a table. So, to make use of the Vlookup, like I said initially, the first thing you do now, this is my table, my data set. I have order date, region, name, item, unit cost, and total. Now I have let's say I have a robust data set or item. I want to find a particular data or item in a table, and this is not robust. For example, okay, I want to find, let's say, Miss Miss Cynthia, which happens to be C3 colon C row 3. I want to find an item and the item for Miss Cynthia. How do I do that? So now let's start. And the first thing I need to do is I need to have my equal sign, then followed by the function name, which is VLOOKUP. I see the name pops up here. You click on it or you can type it. Now this is the formula. First of all, you have the lookup value, then you have the table array. The lookup value, let's say I have, which is Miss Cynthia. I want to look for an item. Then Miss Cynthia falls under C3. I'll say C3. You can see C3. Then the next thing is comma. Then my table array. My table array. Now, this table array talks about what range am I looking at for. What range? Is it from name to what column? From what column to what column am I looking at from? Okay, so let's say I'm looking at from this, I'm looking at from Mrs. Omo down to unit, that's the range. From name to unit, that's the table array. So what I would do there, is I would say my Mrs. Omo is in C2. I'll say C2 colon, then the last number in that unit column is E E8. You can see that E8 E8. So I'll say E8. That's the table array. Then comma. The next thing is the colon index. Now what column am I looking at for? What column? What column am I looking at for? I have the first column, which is the name, followed by item, followed by unit. Okay, so what column am I looking at for? I'm looking at for the second column, which is the item. So I'll put 2. You can see column D, that's 2. And the last one is what? You just range lookup. You just add 0 there, or false. And add false or 0. Let's say false. Now what false does is that it will give us the exact value. Then let's press this. Let's see what we have. Excuse me. Now I can see Cynthia here, like I said, our item is what? Pencil. See that? The item is pencil. That is for our item. So with VLOOKUP, I'm able to retrieve a particular item. And just like my search, when you're using your dictionary search, especially your index to search for a particular data, so you use your VLOOKUP. So I hope you understood what I have said in this tutorial. So if you have any question, kindly drop on the comment section, and also don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube page. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.